In this video, I am going to show you how to subtract cells in Apple numbers on Mac. So let's see how you can do this thing. There is a small table and this is the project breakdown table. Here there are two columns. One is budget and there is actual. And we want to find the differences between these two data. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to find the area where we want to show the result, and this result can be shown basically or retrieved by the subtraction of these two number, which is like budget and actual. So I'm going to click here because I want to display the subtracted result over here. So once we select it, this area, then we have to press the equal sign and the formula bar will be appeared. Now I'm going to click the budget column data and then minus sign and then the actual costing, and then after that I have to click this green tick mark to see the result. I'm going to click here and very shortly it will show us the result. So the difference is 8,000. That's why it is showing 8,000. In this way we can easily subtract the output between two numbers. If we want to subtract for other rows of data, we can directly copy and then we can paste it over here and it will show us all the output. Here it is showing like 8,000. For this case the difference is 3,000 and so on. And that's it. In this way we can easily subtract cells in Apple numbers on Mac.